family, I wanted to give you a small preview of the Deluxe and the Gold package welding skids. And this is what I mean about getting your hog on, man. It's just thinking outside of the box. I mean, you push yourself to go that extra mile, to think outside of the box, man, you know. And remember this. This is something that hit me one day. Majority of the tools that we use as construction workers, as welders, fabricators, iron workers, millwrights, were made from someone just like us who was actually in the field doing the work. You know, the big name a lot of times didn't create the tool. A lot of times, you know, if you go back in history, they stole it from people who came up with a good idea that didn't have the money or the funds, didn't know nothing about patenting, didn't know nothing about trademarking or copyrights. They didn't know nothing about that. They just came up with something, hey, this work, and somebody said, oh, this really could work. I can do this and make it really better, you know. So that's how you got to view your product, your service, whatever you investing in. And you got to believe that it is what it is. It's worth networking. It's worth marketing. So if I would say anything to anybody building anything, is go that extra mile. You know, don't worry about what people say. Just start building. Just start networking. Just start thinking outside the box and creating what you want. You know, because as long as we sit here, it ain't gonna never happen. But you got to do this: is put your money where your mouth is. Hold on.